In systems of equations, just like in solving equations with variables on both sides, there are three types of solutions you can get. You can get exactly one solution. You can get infinitely many solutions, or you can get no solutions. Exactly one solution, in graphing a system of equations, there is one point where the two lines cross, and that's it. There's just one solution. So there's two lines, usually one's positive, one's negative, and the point where they cross, that is the solution, one solution. The infinitely many solutions looks like this. Now, if you notice on this first graph, there's a blue line and a red line. And even over here, there's a blue line and a red line. But in infinitely many solutions, you see a blue line. Well, there is a red line there. And what it is, this is the same line. So that red line is graphed underneath it. So there's two lines graphed, one on top of the other. Infinitely many solutions. One of our I cans is I can analyze the solution to a system of equations. Well, what these mean are this one point right here. It is true. It's a point that falls on the red line, and it's a point that falls on the blue line. So that ordered pair would make both equations true. Well, when you have infinitely many solutions, every point on one line is on the other line. So every point that you would pick on one of these lines would make the other one true as well. That's why it's infinitely many. Now this is a no solutions graph. So there's a blue line and a red line, and they don't cross at all. Now what you should notice about these two lines, they are parallel. So parallel lines have no solution. Now what's unique about parallel lines? Parallel lines have the same slope. I'm going to run out of room. They have the same slope. So, I don't know, the equation for these may be y equals 2/3 x plus 4, and y equals 2/3 x minus 1. It's a possibility. The slopes are the same. So those will never touch. No solution. So that's our three types of solutions that we can get anytime, and this is what they look like when you are graphing.